So it sounds like your favorite product maybe of everything that you've made so far is the Scout. Yeah?
I think so. There's recency bias, so the last thing's always your
Always,
favorite.
always. It's
Um,
it's hard to pick between your children.
yeah, then it's the baby. The baby's the favorite.
Exactly.
Not kid ourselves. Yeah, the Scout is cool. It's probably not the coolest in the midst of a chip shortage. It's
Yeah,
currently it's
how has
currently the
that
one I'm
been?
worried most about. But we'll see. We'll see what happens.
How has that been, to navigate for you? And did you have to change anything about the design before you started shipping them
Uh,
because of that?
so
Or since you've started shipping?
I was saved by one, that the 328 is relatively old, and two, that it's in the dip package, which is not as sought
Oh.
after as service mount. There are actually like some memes of folks, of engineers prying off dip things and like pushing out their legs and converting them.
Making them be surface mount, yeah.
Yeah, I think as a joke. I hope as a joke.
Might not be.
Might not be. And that kept me safe for a little while. I mean, we'll see, knock on wood, but I may have exhausted the supply of this chip.
Oh,
Uh,
no.
keep me in your thoughts.
I will. I will. If anybody has extra 328s and dip packages, contact Tommy. It has to be in good
Yeah.
condition, though, stored properly. There we go.
Name your price. I'm okay for a little while, but what I have, I will definitely run out of.